Hey, before I get going on this, I'm going to use my nail bag, and I wanted to show you my nail bag. I just had it repaired. See those handles on there? I put handles on my nail bag right here so I can hang on to it and pull them up. Now sometimes when you go to the hardware store, if you need a new nail bag, look for the nylon ones like this, and sometimes you'll be lucky enough to see that they have those handles. Well, this one didn't, and I like my nail bag, so I just hang on to it like that. Then I can take it up here and put it on. Just like that. And when I get done, I can do the same thing. I can kind of hold on to this. And trust me, when you get a nail bag, you have lots of tools in it, nails and screws and all kinds of stuff. It's hard to grab this with your hand like that and let it slide down or whatever, okay? So, look for that type of nail bag at the store. And if you can't find something like that, maybe you could go to a shoe repair. I went to a shoe repair, TerryEdmonds.com in Maui. Yes, if the shoe fits, she's the only one on island that will repair shoes and fabricate shoes, and she even fixed my nail bag. Thank you so much, Terry, for doing that. She also sewed this all together here. This used to be separate from the belt portion, and that was sliding down. And now she sewed this right here. She sewed it back there. She put these little straps on here, sewed that in there, and all that. Isn't that kind of cool? Yes, try that for your nail bag.